always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about some sneakers. Ooh, did a little soliloquy for your ass. Sneakers releases coming out for whatever the fuck it is right now, like these next couple weeks. We got some heat on there, so I said, yo, fuck it. Let me go ahead and make a little video for y'all on some sneakers releases. Let me know if y'all end up enjoying this one by leaving a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified. Y'all already know, bro. You know what it's for. Click the post notification bell, subscribe to the channel. On road to 20K. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. So the way this shit's gonna work, basically, if I see anything I like, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it more in detail. We got some shit releasing tomorrow. We got the free Terra Vistas. Shits are ass. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at these shits, bro. Not for me, you feel me? These got the taboo toe on it. We got the Jordan 13 lows. These are the Singles Day Jordan 13 lows. These got like this minty green color on it. These shits is ass, bro. They're 13s lows, bro. We good on the lows. After the Dookie Terra Vistas, we got the Jordan 2 off-whites. I did speak about these a couple days ago, but we got these releasing this week, low-key, in 2 different colorways. I've been entering my raffles. I'm doing my due diligence. Hopefully sneaker gods bless me this Friday. Come on, I need and I'm gonna get these Jordan 2 off-white lows. Speak it into existence, anything you want. Come on, bruh. We gonna get these bitches this Friday. Let's talk about the fact that these are basically a sneaker that crumbled back in the day, like the OG version crumbled. They turned it into these actual wearable crumbled sneaker. First time ever, to be honest, and this is the Chicago colorway of that shoe. This is basically the Chicago colorway of the Jordan 2. I feel like this is a sneaker that was bound to come in, like it was always slept on. It was bound to become something fire. It does have the white zip tie, and I want to see what other color laces these come with. Hopefully we get a black, a red, a cream, probably a white, you feel me, just to throw it in there for whoever wants that. But these are hard. We also do have the black and blue pair releasing with the orangey hints on it. I guess these are cool, but in all honesty, I'd probably stick to the white and red. Now, one thing that I must say is the fact that on the blue pair, the signature is on a different spot. It's around where the eyelets of the laces are, and then on the white and red pair, it's around where the wing is. I think that's kind of cool as well, because if you go ahead and look at signed shoes, it's not in the same spot. It can't really be in the same exact spot. That's a cool concept behind it. I honestly still would stick to the white and red. Those go so hard, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna enter for both, you feel me? We gonna see what the f is up with both these bitches. I do wonder if these are gonna be more limited because of the outsole and the way that it is. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. But let's talk about these waffle trainers, which are gonna release for women. These are honestly, it looks like just an everyday pair of trainers. They're not bad by any means. Everybody needs something similar to this. We do got the Taxi 12s releasing, you feel me? Really wish that gold was not gold and they just left it the Taxis, bro. Like, what are you doing? What is you doing? Why don't we just get the regular Taxis? I've been waiting for them shits for a minute. They always seem to do the bullshit and switch it up a little bit. I really wish it was just the regular Taxis, you feel me? I definitely would have went for these, but I have to wait because I'm not buying these royalties, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and just stick to what I know and wait for those. But we got like these almost Halloween. Why are they releasing Halloween shoes now? I guess they're getting shipment late. You might as well call these bitches the Thanksgiving ones. You may be receiving these bitches while you eating your turkey. I don't know, these are it's not really too special. There's so many forces out there that I really do want to get my hands on, and these are not one of those. But we do got the Air Moabs. I don't know what you guys call them. I don't really like these shits. It gives me like high top Huarache vibes, and I don't really fuck with Huaraches. I used to have a couple pairs. Honestly, wouldn't really do that no more. That's just my personal opinion. These are basically like the Ball is Life version of Huaraches. They do kind of look a little better though. I think I'm gonna sleep on these and just leave these be where they need to be, you feel me? Same shit in the black and brown color. Now this does look a little bit better just because it almost gives me like hiking, I don't know, like hiking boot vibes. I don't know why. It does look a little bit better on that black colorway, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, especially with the hint of brown. I feel like it adds character to it a little bit more. It gives it like earthy tones. It's like cool. I definitely like the ACG aspect to it. Really don't don't know, let me know what y'all think about the ACG Moabs. Got these over breaks, which is basically like you're stepping on a cloud. Those is cool, you feel me? I'm not really all deep into that shit. I might not even go for these shits, to be honest. We got the blazers, which almost have like this quilted vibe to it. They not that bad. I just feel like it has too many colors on the outside. That's why initially I'm like, yo, these shits are ass. The more you look at them, the more you could kind of appreciate it. The inside basically says toasty. It's like a snuggled blazer, you feel me? For the winter time, I feel like these shits might go hard. I'm not gonna lie. It's like a perfect winter shoe because it's warm as fuck on the inside if you're gonna be outside type shit. But hey, let me know what y'all think about the blazers. Retail is $120 on the sail quilt blazers though. That's not that bad, you feel me? That's why I like blazers. These are nothing too special. A pair of gum and sail dunks. I'm honestly gonna go for these because of the gum bottom. I don't really have any sneakers with gum bottom right now. We got the over breaks in another color. Shits is cheeks, I'm not gonna lie. We got this shit right here, which is the Toasty Force Ones. It's basically the same shit as the blazers, which I love when they do those packs. There's a pack of popcorn Air Force Ones and blazers that I'm still after, bro. I need both of them shits and I will get them eventually. Right now I'm sleeping, unfortunately. I just really hope that forces don't become popping because I'm gonna be sick if I can't get those. These aren't that bad. It's basically that same shit. They're releasing the set with the blazers and the forces. Honestly, I would go with the blazers for this specific pair, but on November 20th we got a banger, the Bordeaux Jordan 1s. These are hard, bro. I honestly really am feeling these, and the materials looking on point on these bitches, bruh. I feel like we haven't had a pair of Jordan 1s released in a minute, so I'm excited about these. They remind me of the navy Jordan 1s, the Japan joints. I really hope I could get these because I have a lot of blue. I don't have any burgundy, and this with like a khaki or like a cream. Ooh, nasty, bruh. Let me know in the comments below, bruh. That's a must. Like, I'm definitely gonna need those. I feel like those are gonna resell, to be honest. We have been getting other colors, but we've never gotten like a maroon Jordan 1, like a Bordeaux Jordan 1. That's hard. I would rate them like a 9 out of 10. I have to see materials, but off rip, I think these bitches is a 9 out of 10. Definitely sign me up, coach. I need them bitches. But we got the Element Gore-Tex Jordan 1s. Let me give these a shot. What the fuck is going on with this milky, like, cummy bottom? Let me know what's going on with that shit. I kind of like the green. I feel like the materials are gonna fuck this up for me. If you are looking for a winterized Jordan 1 that you could kind of take through the snow type shit, or I look at these, they're not that bad. I really just wish that the green shit wasn't whatever the fuck material that is. If it was anything besides that, I'd be rocking with this. I think I'm gonna pass on these. The particle gray joints. Got these Jordan 9 boots, the NRG joints. We good on those. These dunks though, kinda hard. It's like a harvesty orange with the brown outsole. These are clean, I'm not gonna lie. Need these. The bronze Eclipse women dunk low, need these. Sign me up, coach. I like the orange. Look at the top, and then the bottom being brown instead of black is everything, bro. Because if it was black, it would make it feel like a Halloween type vibe, but since it's brown, it makes it feel like a Thanksgiving, like, you feel me, like a fall vibe. Think about that though. That shit is crazy. That black versus brown changes it a whole lot, bro. But yeah, solid. Need those for sure. We got these zebra print Jordan 11s. Where they going with these, bro? Just leave it for the cool gray. I don't even know, but I would have not picked these. I would rather have a Jordan 7.5. These shits is ass. Like, $225 for those, bro. If you out here taking $225 to the store, cash register, saying let me get these, bro, honestly, I don't even think you would be watching this video. I don't even think y'all would do this. Like, you feel me? I believe in you enough to know that you ain't up to this bullshit right here. Last up, we got December 16th with 2 Travis Scott Air Max 1s. I don't know if these still gonna release. I don't know what's going on with young Trav lately, bruh. Shit is crazy. I don't even want to talk about it too much. I fuck with Trav's music, to be honest, but shit got tactical a couple days ago. I don't really want to talk about it too much. If y'all would like a reaction or would want something like that, let me know in the comments and I'd possibly get it done for y'all. But these kicks right here, honestly, the mustardy tannish color, the yellowish one, I don't really like those too much. I feel like it should have just been cream. This is going too far yellow for me. I feel like if it was a little bit closer to the cream, I'd fuck with it. Honestly, not really fucking with these too much, but this second colorway right here isn't as bad. I honestly am growing to like this one a little bit more. I don't have any Air Max 1s in my collection, and I feel like this would be a good one to start off with. If not this one, the Prada ones, those are clean as well. well. I'm a fan of the brown with the tan. I just feel like it gives me fall vibes, and that's what I've been trying to go for. Definitely more on like the mountaineering, climbing, hiking, looking ass side of things. These aren't the Jordan Trav shits. It's fucking an ACG type beat. Like, this shit look different, but it's not terrible. You feel me? Like, it could be better 100%, just like I feel like the concert could be better 100%, but it's not that bad. You feel me? At the end of the day, let me know what y'all think about these. Are y'all still gonna be going for this shit? Like, I don't know. It's so many questions to be had. If you guys want like a full what my opinion is on it, let me know in the comments and I'd make a reaction for y'all. Honestly, I'm trying to make different type of content. Like, let me know what y'all would like to see on the channel. I got you, bro. Like, let me know. I just need something, bro. Like, let me know what y'all want and I got you. But that pretty much does it for this video. That was the last sneaker on the sneakers app, bro. So far, we're up to December. They probably are gonna add some more shit between the lines, but this is what we got confirmed so far. Hey, with all that being said, man, let me know if y'all enjoyed this video by leaving a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Click the post notifications so you know whenever I post. I'm gonna try to stay consistent as much as possible, bro. Like, I'm trying to post whenever I could post. I'm gonna try to post type shit. You feel me? With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.